Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Made Simple Classes. In this video, we will discuss regarding one of the Python interview question, that is, what is the output of below program? This is the program given, function given, try, except, and finally blocks are used, and print of fun of 20 comma 0. 20 comma 0 they given. To understand this question, you should know about the try, except, and finally block, and this you should know. Okay, we with the help of try, except, and finally block, we can handle the runtime errors. Okay, runtime exceptions, runtime errors with the help of try, except, else, finally blocks. Try, if there is any error in the try block, then it is cursor will goes to the except block. If there is no error in the try block, then cursor goes to the else block. If there is no error in the try block, then cursor will goes to the else block. But after all the blocks, try, except, and else, if finally block will execute, definitely finally block will execute finally and definitely after the try. If there is any exception, if there is no exception, then also finally block will execute. Okay, this is the concept, this is the small concept regarding try, except, else, and final blocks. Basically, we use to handle the errors, to handle the exceptions, especially to handle runtime errors, to handle runtime errors. What is the output of this? First, cursor will goes to this print statement, print of fun of 20 comma 0. Then it is giving call to this defined function x comma y, x equal to 20 and y equal to 0, x equal to 20 and y equal to 0. So it is 20 divided by 0. It will use the 20 is not divisible by 0. So it will produce 0 division error. It will produce 0 division, like this, some kind of error it will produce, 0 division error. Error means this is one kind of exception it will use. 0 is not divisible by, 20 is not divisible by 0. 0 division error means one kind of exception it will produce. Zero division error use. Then it will goes to the exception blocks. Is any print statements are available? No. But return statement is error. It will easy to goes error. No. But we have the finally block. We have the finally block here, right? We have the finally block here. But return statement of return statements, if finally block have return statement, then this return statement will not work. Then this return statements will not work. Try return statements will not work, and except return statements will not work. We have the return statement in finally block, right? We have return statement in finally block. So this return statement will not work. This return statement will not. Okay, because of that, our output will be the returns value is code and code done. Return value is code done only. It will print code done only. If there is any print statements here, that will execute. Print statement will execute. If there is any operations or print statement, that will execute, but not the return statement. That is the use of the finally block. Finally block will definitely will execute anyhow. Finally block will execute that have the return statement, means this return statement will not work. One function can only return the one return statement, right? Means we need to execute anyhow finally block. That is the reason so that this return statement will not work. So after that, this is the node. Return statement of finally block only takes as return statement. Only takes as return statement. Means only this one return statement will text. This return statements will not work because finally block should execute anyhow after all other blocks. Anyhow means it will execute definitely after anyhow try except else blocks. So return of finally block only. Return of finally block only we need to consider. We no need to consider this. We cannot consider this return statement of except block. We cannot consider this return statement of this try block. So our output will be, this is our output. So output will be code done. This is our output. Okay, we will check programmatically now. So I am calling to the function. So it is our function. It is giving the code done, right? This code. If I'm specifying here any print statement, suppose please print this AAA, it will print this also. So BBB, it will print this also. It will print this also. CCC. But when return statement comes into the picture, this return statement only will work. We will check again here. AA is printing. After that, we are going to the exception, zero division exception. Because of that, it goes to the this block. BBB will print, but return statement it will not work. After that, it will goes to the this block CCC, and code division code done is only will code division only will work. If I am specifying this 10 also, see friends, if there is a 10, suppose I am specifying the 10 here and I am printing B here. Now it is BB will not print. BB will not print. BB will not print for this case. BB will not print. Yeah. BBAA is printing. There is no exception. It will no returns. Then it will do the operations. Just it will do the operations, but it will not return. Will not return. Okay. This is one of the most important interview question. So after that, CC will enter. There is no exception. That's why this block is not execute. Finally, CC. After that, it will returns code. Okay, friends. Our output is code done. Right. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will meet with the next interesting question, next interesting interview question.